What's up, you guys? It's your boy KrazyK. I'm back in the flesh. We're back. New era, new hair. As y'all can see, the dreads are looking very beautiful. Today we gonna be showing y'all the process of me making my music. If y'all didn't know, I make music. KrazyK, all platforms. Fallen Tower EP is out now. Go stream it. It's actually so far. This is my favorite project. I had so much fun making it with my homies and whatnot. Yeah, I'd appreciate it if y'all just show some love. And yeah, I'm about to be back making videos. I'm gonna have more music related content now, because I kind of found that's like my niche. So yeah, today we're just gonna be making a song just to get us back in our little groove. If you boys enjoy, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment for anything y'all want to see in the future, and let's get into the video. I ain't gonna lie, I cheated. I already found a beat. But usually what you want to go do is go in the search bar, search up the beat you want. You know, like if I wanted a gunner or net spin type beat, I search up net spin type beat, find a beat that suits me, and then hop on it. We're hopping on this. Alright, so I already downloaded the beat, but what you're gonna want to do is next is go to YouTube MP3, YT MP3, or this, because my YouTube MP3 doesn't work. I don't know why. And what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna paste your link here and convert. Wait a little bit, and then you're gonna download the MP3. Don't worry, you're not gonna take your information. You're fine. You're not downloading anything wrong. And what you're gonna do next is you're gonna go to your recording software. We're using BandLab. I know it's chopped, but we're on a budget, so bear with me. A good amount of my songs are actually made on FL Studio, my homie's studio. I be going to it a lot, but you gotta make what we got. So you're gonna want to drag the beat here. Sometimes it adds this little bit of space right here. I just like to cut it off right about there. Give it a little tap. Usually the BPM and the keys are always in key and like accurate with BandLab, but if it isn't, you can go to tunebat.com and it'll actually give you the proper BPM and key that the project should be in. I'm gonna use my new Glow Sound 1. It's my favorite preset. Alright, let's see which mic I'm on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Why does it sound like that? But what the heck? You gotta turn on the auto tune all the way up. Now just filling the beat. I'm not even saying like lyrics right now. Now my mic, unfortunately, it is delayed, so I have to go to the editor over here, line it up just to slide it. She keep on calling my phone. I swear there's no one even. Go back. I put a bitch in the back. You probably bottles down. That track there just so I could go back to it, just in case I forget the melody that I had in mind. So just put that down there. Okay. Oh, I'm already starting. It's crazy. Go crazy. Go crazy. I'm just gonna keep that. I like to denoise mine twice because mine's like very staticky.
It's crazy, crazy, go crazy, go crazy.
Second track, and we're down.
Crazy, go crazy. Go crazy, yeah. She keep on calling my phone. Go crazy, go crazy, yeah. She keep on calling my phone.
Start, go back.
Calling my phone, calling my phone, calling my phone. Calling my phone. Swear to God, won't leave me alone. She keep on breaking my heart. She keep on breaking my heart.
Now we push the start. We gon' take off, yeah. Okay. I like where this is going. I'm not gonna lie.
She keep on breaking my heart, so I fell in love with push the start.
I didn't like this. A little too far ahead.
She keep on breaking my heart, so I fell in love with push the start. We gon' take off, yeah. She keep
Denoise it twice so it can sound proper.
heart, so I fell in love with push the start. We gon' take off, yeah.
Alright, let me take out the last part. I want to say hit the gas and stuff.
Take off, yeah.
Oh, I forgot I had this. I forgot I had to rap.
Take off, yeah. Hit the gas.
2,000 years later.
Swear to God, won't leave me alone.
So this one I gotta turn down.
Swear to God, won't leave me alone. Swear to God, won't leave me alone.
Twice.
Swear to God, won't leave me alone. Swear to God, won't leave me alone. Swear to God, won't leave me alone. She keep on breaking my heart, so she keep on breaking my heart, so she keep on breaking my heart, so
Alright, this part's about to be fun though. Fell in love with push the start.
she keep on breaking my heart, so I fell in love with push the start. We gon' take off, yeah. Hit the gas. You got a chance every moment, never know when it's the last, yeah. Fell in love with push the start. We gon' take off, yeah. Hit the gas. You got a chance every moment, never know when it's the last, yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to turn it up. Turn up the add the vocals.
It's crazy, crazy, go crazy, go crazy, yeah. She keep on calling my phone. Swear to God, won't leave me alone. She keep on breaking my heart, so I fell in love with push the start. We gon' take off, yeah. Hit the gas. You got a chance every moment, never know when it's the last, yeah. Remember back in school, me and you skipping classes. Alright, you knew I went last, put them bottles in the bag. Bitch coming next, popping bottles flex. Diamonds on me flex, yeah. I'ma cash my checks, yeah. Know I'm coming next, boss, I man just flex, boss, I man just flex, boss, I man just flex, I've been on my grind, you should know I'm next, waiting for my time, yeah. I've been waiting for my time, yeah. Shawty said I'm down time, yeah. That's a lie. They say time is money, that's I'm always running with. Time is money, so I'ma run away with time. Time is money, that's why I'm running with.
I kinda wish I said I'm chasing time.
Time is money, so I'ma money, that's I'm always running with. Time is money,
Instead of saying time is, instead of saying time is money, I should say chasing time. I'm chasing time. I'm chasing time. Where should I add a stutter? That's the question. Right here. I'm gonna add the first stutter. Stutter. That's it like that. Alright, so this is my method for stutter. Slice. Copy. On the track above. Paste. Drag. Let's get a little. I don't have much more to show you guys. I think I'm done here. So all there really is to do next is just jam out. So this is what a complete song looks like for me, at least. A lot of other BandLab users like that, all these infinite tracks and whatnot. Oh my gosh, my camera died. Hold on, guys. All them like BandLab users, they like to add infinite tracks and whatnot. I'm just like, you don't need all that. I ain't gonna lie, because as y'all can see, I don't even do that much to it really. It was just like, this song is good. Low-key, I might drop it. Hey, let me know in the comments if I should drop the song. I could add it as a bonus to the Fallen Tower EP stream. All platforms out now, by the way. Links in bio. The only thing to do now is just
It's crazy. Go crazy.